confines of Britain's gardens and is now spreading across Snowdonia. It's so virulent that very little survives in its wake.
This is the most extraordinary environment. It doesn't feel very alive.
No. And although this rhododendron is being treated, which is why it's dying at the moment, so the leaves are mainly on the ground, even when it's completely alive, it's this dark canopy over the top and nothing else growing in here at all, just pure rhododendron.
So why is it such a brutal plant to be next to if you're another plant?
Well, it's a very invasive plant because it can grow in a lot of different climatic conditions, a lot of different soil conditions.
Do a video,
The seeds can last for up to kind of 5 years, and it just seems to outcompete. Once it germinates, it hangs on in there, then it covers everything over with this canopy, and everything else is shaded out underneath.
In contrast, the traditional landscape of Snowdonia is full of variety.
What difference a tree makes.
Yeah, absolutely. We can see the bracken starting to come through, but bluebells just coming into flower. And I think most importantly around here, you can see that there's regeneration of the woodlands. So we've got little oak trees, and that's because the light's getting to the ground here and the seeds can germinate and grow through, whereas in